Did you know that 73% of Salesforce orgs are struggling to scale their AI initiatives due to poor data quality and integration? This one feature will save your team 10 hours a week. But what if I told you there's a better way to unlock AI success in your Salesforce org? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prioritize unified customer data, data quality and integration, and ROI to scale AI and drive business results. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Unified customer data across sales, service, marketing, and commerce teams enables personalization at scale, automates confidently, and improves customer retention. According to recent studies, organizations with unified data report 40% better AI and automation outcomes and 40% stronger customer retention. To achieve this, prioritize data unification as step one. Consolidate systems of record, fix pricing and inventory sync issues, and audit integration points between core systems. But wait, there's a catch you need to know about. Poor data quality and integration are major barriers to AI success, negatively affecting the customer journey and AI outcomes. In fact, 63% of organizations cite poor data integration as a major or moderate barrier to AI success. To address this, assign explicit ownership over data readiness, prioritize data unification, and fix specific data flows like pricing and inventory sync. Let me show you the part most admins miss. Scaling AI requires demonstrating return on investment, ROI, for AI initiatives. To secure continued investment and expand into new use cases, tie AI initiatives to metrics like conversion, retention, cost to serve, and revenue per interaction. In fact, organizations that can clearly show ROI early are best positioned to secure continued investment. This next one is a game changer. Treating data unification as a prerequisite for AI investment determines the value that AI investment can actually deliver. Prioritize data unification as step one, rather than a separate IT initiative competing with AI investment for budget and attention. In fact, organizations serious about scaling AI need to treat data unification as step one. Now let's take this to the next level. Consolidating customer, order, and inventory data into a single source of truth improves data quality, accessibility, and management. Prioritize consolidating systems of record before expanding AI use cases further. In fact, teams are prioritizing a single source of truth for customer, order, and inventory data. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Cleaning up data flows for pricing and inventory sync directly improves the customer experience and AI built on top of that data. Fix specific data flows like pricing and inventory sync, which are chief among omni-channel breakdowns. In fact, 98% of multi-channel sellers report significant omni-channel breakdowns. This next step is crucial for data quality and AI success. Auditing integration points between core systems identifies where data breaks or duplicates as it moves between platforms. Go system by system to identify integration issues, rather than assuming the AI layer will smooth them over. In fact, teams are going system by system to identify integration issues. Assigning explicit ownership over data readiness addresses issues like poor data quality and lack of AI strategy. Assign explicit ownership over data readiness, rather than treating it as a shared responsibility. In fact, teams are increasingly assigning explicit ownership over data readiness. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Defining specific KPIs to justify AI investment measures the effectiveness of AI initiatives and secures continued investment. Define the specific KPIs to use to justify the next round of AI investment. In fact, leaders are starting to define the specific KPIs they'll use to justify the next round of AI investment. Agentforce Commerce gives commerce teams a way to deploy trusted, enterprise-grade AI agents on a foundation that's already built for it. This AI-first platform reduces the infrastructure lift for AI, enabling commerce teams to deploy AI agents on a foundation that's already built for it. In fact, Agent-Force Commerce is designed to reduce the infrastructure lift that's currently the single biggest barrier to AI pilots and real, sustained scale. Prioritizing data unification as a top priority for organizations improves data quality, accessibility, and management, and enables AI at scale. In fact, commerce leaders point to data unification as a clear focus area. Building a foundation for AI at scale enables AI to deliver reliably and at scale. Prioritize data unification, consolidate systems of record, fix pricing and inventory sync issues, and audit integration points between core systems. In fact, organizations treating unification and integration cleanup as the current priority are the ones best positioned to make the leap from promising pilot to dependable, revenue-driving scale.